Hi, my name is Sashko. Today I will talk about tips and tricks for developing hybrid mobile applications, including Android, iOS, Cordova, JavaScript, and of course AngularJS. I am a Java developer in JavaScript Jungle, and today I will talk about five shortest tips in five short tips in crazy 5 minutes. Let's begin. First thing is that you always try to on destroy. You always try to remove it. Everything that you did not want to go in other state. Remove all listeners. Cancel all promises or destroy all iScrollers that you have. Use iScroller for smooth scrolling on iOS. On Android it's good. For Android for iOS it's a little bit strange. Use Hammer.js for adding multi-touch gesture and try using JavaScript for removing DOM elements, not CSS, because CSS is hiding stuff, not removing from your DOM. And use, if you want to not caching, for not caching, use parameters like timestamp on your URL, and you will get no caching for the images. For Angular, if you have, always look for the errors. When you have the errors, you will see on error first line is some URL from the Angular part, and just copy and paste on the browser. You will see a description of this error message, and you will probably find some more stuffs and how to fix your bug that you have or error that you have in your application. If you sometimes have two initialization of your controller, sometimes it happens because you have URL parameters on your view, and if you do not pass URL parameters, you will probably stuck with two initialization of the controller. Just add some default parameters, and everything will be fine. The third one will be delay. If you want to debug your iOS application, you need to delay the start of the Angular part. On Android, on the Chrome side, you can see all the logs, but on the Safari, you see the logs when you start the debugging console. And if you want to find what happened on the start, please set timeout on the Bootstrap Angular, and 10 seconds is good enough, and you can start the Chrome debugging. If you have some Cordova plugins and you want to use in your application, on the JavaScript side, you need to call the custom plugin and get the results from that plugin. If you use that synchronously, you have the problem. You need asynchronous task on the JavaScript part. You need to set timeout and call like thread. And this example is Objective-C part, when you need to run in the background and have threading threads, and everything. In this case, everything will be asynchronous and everything will work fine, and you get the response from the Cordova plugins. And the last tip for today is when you have some slider and you're using iScroll and you want to slide through some images, and you get the images from the server and you get one by one, and you need to refresh the iScroller. And if you have the snap functionality, sometimes happen that when you refresh, snap lose their functionality, and you start with not snapping functionality. This is some probably bug on the iScroll side, and after refreshing, there is no images on the option snap, and you just need to add all the previous images that are loaded and add it to the option snap on the iScroll, and just refresh iScroll, and everything will work fine. I have probably time for one short question. If not, you can contact me by email, or just if you want some more information about more tips and tricks that I have from the hybrid mobile application. Don't hesitate to contact me on Twitter or mail or whatever you want. You can find my presentation on GitHub, and